In today's tutorial, I'm going to present a workflow for creating ribs manually. And actually, this approach has advantages over the script, the Undiddy script, the Cut My Rib script that we used in the previous tutorial. The two biggest advantages being A, you don't have to do any of the cleanup that's associated with using the rib script, because rib script does have some bugs in it as it relates to direction of the cuts of the ribs, and also as it relates to cleaning up the and extending lines to remove artifacts from the cutting process. If you use this workflow, none of those things will be an issue, and it uses some of the same techniques that are found in the rib script. Notably, it uses pipes that you create that represent your material thickness to generate your cuts through a splitting operation. And basically, let's step through this so that we can see how it works. Let's remove the pipes first. You use either the contour and the sectioning command to generate your ribs horizontally and vertically, in this case, after which you add these pipes. And if we look here, and let's rotate this up, we add pipes first to make our cuts. This blue pipe cuts our blue material here, and this purple pipe cuts our vertical struts here. And note that the pipes lie at the intersection of each one of our plane, cutting both the horizontal and vertical elements. So in this script, the workflow that we use is that we section our object, and then we generate a series of intersection curves that define the lines of our intersection, and they are used to generate our pipes, and then we offset them to the midpoint of our along our objects. And then once done, we then use the split command to cut them. And once done, we can then use our massive unroll script to unroll our sections and to color code them for the laser cutting process. This is a really good workflow, and it'll really give you a sense of how to use your O-snap settings along with your planar snaps, your end, mid, center, and intersection snaps. And you'll see how those become very powerful tools for modeling and preparing your models for a laser cutting process. And as always, I'll break this up into smaller parts so that you'll see how this workflow is implemented for laser cutting half lap intersection joints.